Climate. Weather and climate. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and particular time. Weather can change from day to day and even from hour to hour. Climate. Climate, on the other hand, is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The climate in the Himalayan range is cold. The climate in around Chennai is warm and humid. Factors affecting climate. Different places in the world have different types of climate. The climate of a place affects the people living there in many ways. The clothes they wear, the food they eat, the type of houses they live in are all affected by the climate. The factors that determine the climate of a place are distance from the equator, height above sea level, distance from the sea, latitude. The earth gets heated by the rays of sun falling on it. Look at the rays of the sun falling on different parts of the earth. Near the equator, the rays falls vertically, but near the poles they fall are slanting. Different parts of the earth receive different amounts of heat from the sun. Depending on the amount of heat received, there are 3 climatic or heat zones on the earth. They are the torrid zone, the temperate zones, the frigid zone. The area on both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone. The word torrid means extremely hot. As it lies near the equator, this zone receives maximum heat. It is hot throughout the year. The temperate zones. The areas that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere are called the temperate zones. This region has a mild climate, neither very hot nor very cold. The frigid zones. The areas between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, between the Arctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere, receives very little heat from the sun. They are very cold, and large parts are covered with snow throughout the year. They are called the frigid zones. Height above sea level. The peaks of high mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. Thus, the higher a place is from sea level, the cooler is its climate. Distance from the sea. Water heats up and cools more slowly than land. This affects the climate of places near the sea. They are warmer in winter and cooler in summer than places far away from the sea. Winds. Winds tend to flow in particular direction in different parts of the world. They may be hot, cool, or full of moisture, depending on where they come from. For example, the monsoon winds from the Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea bring rain to large parts of India. The hot winds from the Thar Desert make Delhi very hot during summer. Thus, the climate of an area is affected by the winds. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. It affects the climate of a place. The air over the equator is laden with water vapor. As the heat of the sun causes rapid evaporation of the ocean waters. This causes heavy rain in the area. So the climate near the equator is hot and wet.